morning. Welcome to Kathy's Cute Creations. I'm going to be doing the unboxing. I thought that somebody else was going to be joining me, but she's not, so it's me. And this is the October subscription box. I opened it, haven't had a chance to look at it yet. There's a little decal down there. So let's take a peek, see what we got. Okay, looks like we have an update on the Presley's Dream pattern. That was in a previous box. So this must be the updated version. They do that. Whenever they find a mistake in a pattern, they'll go ahead and give us the update in another box. So let's see, we have Quilter's Moonshine recipe. Okay, and that is for making a starch, which I have lots of starches, so it'll be a while before I get into that. So the winners of this month for the main project is Paula, I don't know how to pronounce your last name, Zeekly or Zekiel, I don't know. Let me just show the winners. It'd be a lot easier. There we go. There's the winners. Now I'm just looking at the paperwork right here. This is what's on the top of my box. So it's cute little project, Scraptastic quilted greeting cards. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Greeting cards. That's the front. Here's the back. And of course, a little camper. That is darling, isn't it? Look at that. It's a lot of small pieces to get it into a card. Okay, and we have a Scraptastic project, pumpkins. And then it tells us what we're going to need. Oh my goodness, look at how cute that is. Look at that. Let me see if I can get a close-up of it. And here's your orange peel center. That's how you're going to use, that's what you're going to use to make the pumpkin. And we have confetti runner. Here's one version. Table runner. Here's another one if you would like those colors. Our mystery block number 10, which is a star and pinwheels. That one's pretty. And then we have mystery block number 12, which is Mosaic 21. All right, let's see what else we have in the box. I made a bunch of noise there. So we have caramel popcorn, home produced. From the Country Pauper, Stephanie Bruce. I think it's Bruce, B-R-U-S-E, Bruce. This must be for our, yep, that's for the liquid starch. Give a little container here. Trying to see, oh, so you just pump it. That's cute. My box won't stay open. Oh, let's see here. Okay, here is for the cards for that cute little project. So let me see here how this works. Oh, here we go. So what you'll do is you will make your little item, your fabric. You'll put it on this. This is a little card that comes in there. This gets slid into this here. See how it has a frame on it? That'll go in the side of that with your project already made. And then you get an envelope to mail it in. Boy, they thought of everything. Whoops, let me... There you go, regular envelope. And it goes inside that, and then you can make specific cards for your friends, for whoever you want to. Okay, and now we have the fabric for the project. So this fabric is the blue. Hold on one second, let me get it up here. I've turned my papers around on myself. All right, where's the project at? It was, here we go. So this project, which is the confetti runner. These are the fabrics for it, which are adorable. Look at these fabrics. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's all the same color. This is dry brush dark denim. And then we have Into the Woods, where these are the different colors. Hold it up here a little bit. So you have different, it's all got that brushed, like the denim, like your pants would be. I'm sure I'm not getting them all, but enough of them to give you an idea. And then I believe this would be your backing fabric. Not sure if that's the back or not. That's a gray. Let me see if that's what it says we got. Oh, binding. Okay, so it's cutting the binding. Okay. All right. Ooh, that's nice. Of course, now you know you can make that in some other color than that. Sort of like the that just this little bit right here reminds me of the Bargello, the way that it comes down and the different colors are. That'd be pretty nice looking. Okay, and then we have, let's see, what is this here? Let me get my paperwork because I don't know what that is. It's a breast cancer awareness. That's what this is. Let's open it up. So it is a pair of socks. And oh my gosh, are those ever soft? Oh Lord, my feet are going to love those. Because I can't do the thick stuff anymore, but that is really nice. 97% polyester, 3% spandex. So they'll stretch for your foot if your foot's a little bit larger. And here is a keychain. There you go. I want to tell you that you're very fortunate if you do not know somebody or have a family member that have ever had cancer. Especially when the older you get, the more apt you are to have somebody that you know, co-worker, anybody, family. I know we've got, out of the 6 of us in our family, 3 had cancer. And then we have one more thing, which I know y'all are dying to see. So here is the new, the Moppets, the craft holder. This is the top, so it's going to be the nut, which is usually acorn and a leaf, representing fall. And then we have a mini falling leaves. Let me open it up and get it out of this package so you can see the whole entire thing. I'll probably make this for my office again. I did make the last one, which I'll show a little clip. I took a picture of it. There we go. That's what this month is. You can always change it up if you've got problems with viewing black. Lots of people have a problem with that black fabric, but you can always make it a different color of fabric in the background. You can use white, cream, whatever. And they give you all the fabric for it. So you have your fabrics here. That's pretty with the crows. And you can change it out. If you don't like one specific fabric, turn around and use your own fabric. You don't have to use all of this exact fabric. You can use different fabric. Okay, I will lay everything down here so you can see what all I have. I just got to move a couple things because I got my Christmas box. I have a great big huge, when I say huge, the tub is like probably bigger than this with all my Christmas fabric in it. At least all of it that I could fit into that one tub. And I would say it's probably about 6 inches high. So it's like that high, full of fabrics. Because I'm going to make a couple Christmas Christmas projects. All right, let me stop this video so I can show you all of this stuff laid down in case you've missed something or didn't see it long enough. Okay, slip this in real quick, and that was from a previous Creative Notions box. That's my finished product. Taking it to work tomorrow. Just use my Christmas fabric. That was the tub I was telling you about. It's gigantic. But anyway, and I put these other things up here because I've got a project going on the other side of my desk, so I thought best not to show it. Here's everything that was in that box. They really outdid themselves. I never know what to think that they're going to put in a box. I mean, not just the fact that it's going to be some kind of project to make, but the other little extras, like the envelopes there, the cute little project. Or that pumpkin, for one thing. That's another cute little thing that they put in there. I got a little something going on with my camera here and the lighting, but it's the glare off the lights. And there's that little top. Now, they do have some more of these in the shop if you guys want to buy some of these, and they got a couple of the stands left. You can go over there and shop on the website at Vicky's. Thanks, Vicky, again for another wonderful box. And I will see you guys next time. Give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.